Hello everyone, today we are back with another ballet flat, and these ballet flats I feel are the most coveted recently because they only dropped this once and now it's sold out and I haven't seen them restock. So I hope that they restock back, and I finally am going to unbox it here for you all. And these ones are the Mexico 66 Tigers. I did do the Mexico 66 Sabot a couple weeks ago, so you all can see that iteration of the Mexico 66. I love these shoes so much. I can't wait to show you. And this one is in the silver cream colorway. So let's go ahead and unbox these right now. And for Onitsuka Tigers, they have been just dropping so many cool colorways recently. I just absolutely love all of them. And here, these ones are in box. Look at them, so shiny. Here they are out of box. What do you think about them? So for these ones, actually, I was debating on getting the Puma Speed Cat ballet flats in the silver or these ones, but I just absolutely love this one in the silver colorway. It has that foil effect and it's really shiny, so cute. And for these shoes, the only other ballet flat that Onitsuka Tigers has dropped is with the Patou collaboration. So they dropped that one sometime maybe, I believe, last year, and those sold out immediately. And then they dropped the Mexico 66 Tigers. And the difference between that one and this one is actually the stripes. So for the Patou one, it's just a regular stripe, but look at how these ones have little scallops on the side for the two stripes right here, and then also the stripes going down on the other way. You can see it better on the outer side. But look at the scalloping, it gives it such a cute effect. And also they have a little scallop, same tone on tone colors on the top right there, and then on the strap too. So I just think that the scallop is so much more cuter. It makes it a bit more girly, and I just love it more than just the regular stripes. I think that's what makes it a bit more different than the other ballet shoes that are out on the market right now. And then on the back right here, we do have Tiger that is on this flap, and it is movable. I just love the simple shape of this shoe. It is reminiscent of the regular Mexico 66, especially in the front toe box area. On the bottom soles, we do have the white right there, and then also in the inner sole it is white as well. And I would say this is slightly bit more off-white than pure white, so it does give some cream undertones. The other colorways that are available, I believe there are 5. There is the pink and black ones, black and white ones, these ones right here, and then I believe, let me think, also the cream, just one color, and black one color as well, so the solid ones. I did check the website, and I think for the US, I only saw the pink and black is still in stock in some sizes, so you can try and check that out right now. I tried these on earlier, and they are true to size for me. For these shoes, I got a US woman size 7, which is my size, and then it translates to European 38, UK 5 centimeters to 40. And for me, it just fits very well. I suggest just going with your original size if you've never bought Onitsuka Tigers before, or you just try to go off the European sizing and match it from there. It's usually more accurate for me if they are not an original US brand. So I think that these are really comfortable shoes, especially for a ballet flat sneaker. They do have a bit of cushion, not too much arch support, but there is also a bit of a heel. The back is half an inch high, so you do get a just slight heel. And also it is just a really sleek design, and you can wear this 2 different ways. So let me show you. Of course, the first way you can wear this is just the straps going across like it is out of box, but There are some people who have crossed it, and I've seen it, and I think that this is another cute option to wear your shoes. Either way, I love it, and you can just cross these and look at how much more cuter it makes it. Another thing that I was surprised was that you can just slip your foot in and out without unbuckling these, so you don't have to worry about that because there is a small elastic on the side right here that stretches, so you can slip your foot in and you don't have to worry about wasting your time unbuckling things. And the thing I like about the Onitsuka Tiger shoes is that it's very consistent, especially in material, and it's just a cute pop of color. I can't wait to wear these and style them. They are just the it girl shoes for the summer, I feel, or like the it girl ballet shoes of the summer. But you do really need to go on the hunt for these because they are really difficult to find. I think you can maybe get it in Korea in one of the stores that just opened over there, but other than that, probably online. And maybe one day Onitsuka Tigers will drop these again because of the popularity, but who knows, because I do want to see more colorways in these, and I think a pink foil one would be really cute as well. I hope that you enjoyed this review. Let me know what you think about these shoes. Are you gonna get them or do you have them already yourself? I just was wondering if you had a preference. Do you like these ones better or do you like the Puma Speed Cat better? Let me know also if you have been eyeing a ballet flat or if you want me to review any other ballet sneaker flats because I am obsessed with them. And if you want me to do a compare and contrast, I can go ahead and make a video on that and put it all in the comments down below. I'll be sure to get to them as soon as I can. And until next time, bye.